Well, just a quick video to show you how I get the air out of my vacuum hose. There seems to be some debate about how you should do it. The two main methods seem to be either to put the end of the vacuum hose over one of the inlet jets and let that push all the air out, or the other one is a hand over hand method, which I prefer. The problem with using this method of putting the end of the hose over the inlet to allow that to push all the air out is that then I have to get the end of it from this end up to there to put it into the skimmer, and by the time I've managed to walk all the way down here with the end of the hose, even if I've got my hand over it, inevitably air still gets back in. So this is how I do it. First I connect up the hose to the vacuum and then feed that straight down. I give it a little shake to get the air out from underneath the vacuum, and then let it settle on the bottom. Then I just take the hose and I push it end over end straight down into the water, so all the air gets pushed out the end there as it's going down. You may be able to see when I get to this part, the water comes out the top, so it's definitely got no air in it. Then it's just a matter of pushing it into the skimmer hook, and off you go. No more air. Well, as I said, it was a very quick video, but some may find it useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.